everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've read the title, you know that this girl is going to New York. Sorry, but I'm so excited. I've never been to the US, so it's my first time and I always wanted to go to New York. And yeah, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I prepare for the trip and also my flights to New York City. I'm gonna be visiting New York for 3 days and then we'll go to Florida, Miami for the rest of the 4 days. So I need to prepare autumn New Yorkish outfits, but also like summer beach outfits for Miami. And you might have seen my vision board in the background, and literally New York City Statue of Liberty in New York City is on it, and I'm going to New York. This is crazy, okay? This just proves that vision boards work, and I definitely recommend you doing one because almost everything on this board has come true this year. It just shows that if you really visualize and feel it, it becomes reality. As you can see, I'm currently planning all of the outfits because they need to eat. Okay, so for New York, I packed this mini skirt, then like a off-shoulder oversized sweater, leg warmers, tights, a jeans mini rock, and many tops from Hollister. I love them so much. And a normal pair of flare jeans. For Florida and Miami, you can see it's a totally different vibe. I just packed many dresses and cute skirts with some crop tops, tropical vibes, you know? So these are the essentials, and oh my god, it looks so aesthetic. Yeah, these are the essentials I'm bringing with me. 2 bags, I love both so much. Hairbands to give Gossip Girl vibe. A bow has to be there every time. My headphones, of course, you can see I'm in this 2000 vibe lately. Then my camera, heart-shaped Lana Del Rey sunglasses, some makeup that will stay in my bag, and some jewelry. And for my travel book, I picked Atomic Habits. It's really such a great book. Hi guys, so I'm on the plane right now and we're still not in the air, but I'm so excited and I really can't wait for the 8 hours. Yeah. We are in the air now. I hope you can hear me because it's pretty loud here. And I've already looked at which movies they have. I was hoping for Gossip Girl or Vampire Diaries, but I didn't find it. So here are some of the movies. Probably gonna watch Mamma Mia together with my mom later. So basically my mic decided not to work here, so it's me from the future, but I was just tasting these Teddy crisps and they were like good but not that good, but they were fine just there. And here I am watching Mamma Mia with my mom together, but in the middle of the movie my screen decided not to work, and so we had to watch on one screen. We finished watching the movie, but like I don't know what I should do now. We still have 4 hours and 30 minutes. I don't really want to watch another movie right away. So I'm thinking, because I also have eye patches, I'm not sure if I should make them now or later. Also, it's like not getting dark at all. We have already 9 p.m. but it's still very bright outside. I think we are flying to the sun or something. My hair is stressing me out. I do have my hairbrush, so maybe I'm just gonna brush my hair. Let's do a little ASMR. It's so tangled. Oh my god. Why is it getting so electricized? Is it because of the plane? Guys, you know what? I came prepared. much better. Now I'm gonna use this cream because of my pimples on my forehead. They need to be gone. I just want to see how it looks on. The windows are kind of dirty, but still. Here's the pretty view. The clouds always look like snow. Here I went to the bathroom, and after that I decided to watch the Beetlejuice movie because I've literally never watched it.
What the dog doing?
I finished watching the movie. It was pretty good, but also like kind of creepy and gross. Anyways, let's do eye patches now. I have these eye patches. They are like pumpkin pie flavor, I think. It smells so good. Actually, it smells like literal pumpkin pie latte, but sweet. Because I usually don't like pumpkin pie latte, but like the smell is amazing. The lights turned on. Still have 1 hour and 30 minutes to go, so I think it's enough time to like mentally prepare myself because I'm not prepared. I can't realize it that I'm going to New York.
What the dog doing?